So we've all had those crazy nights that are followed by one of the worst mornings that you could possibly ever experience. No, this is not Alcoholic Anonymous, but yes, it's for you guys. What if I could tell you that I have something to revitalize your body, soul, and mind? I'm talking about the blue pill. No, not that kind of blue pill, guys. Spicy Hangover double cheeseburger, aka the Babalazi burger. Hi, I'm Meg from Meg Loves Cooking, and I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to cure your hangover in just 10 minutes. Okay, to begin, we need buns, either store-bought or freshly made. Don't worry guys, we're going to be making some in the near future. So, first step is to toast your buns. Put some oil in the pan and keep checking them as we don't want them to burn as yet. Alright? Get 500 grams or 1 pound of whichever ground meat that you prefer. I chose 50% beef, 50% pork. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. To form your burger patties, roll the meat into medium-sized balls. So in the pan, add in a little bit of oil to fry at medium-high heat. Place your burgers and fry for about 4 minutes per side, or until you can see coloring at the edges of your patty. Flip and top it off with cheddar cheese on one patty and slice of mozzarella cheese on the other patty. Cover with the lid for the cheese to melt and for the patty to cook. Now for our burger sauce, add in about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. Mix and season with salt and pepper according to your desired taste. Now, time to assemble your burger. Put a generous amount of sauce on both sides of the buns. Carefully place the 2 patties and top it off with some pickled jalapenos. Fresh jalapenos will do their job too, guys. Double cheeseburger with some jalapenos on the top, and I'll put some on the bottom too. You know, if you wake up in the morning and you have a hangover, This is the best thing that you can eat. Essa papaya se pega. Double papaya se pega. Double cheese papaya se pega. Am cozinhei pra frente. So, I'm telling you that in 10 minutes, you can come up with this beautiful bad boy here. No, guys, that's not fair. That's cheating. There's no way I can come up with this in less than 10 minutes. Well, I got proof for you guys. I got proof for you guys.